Good morning, everybody. I got this 2015 Expedition here. Customer stated that the blower wasn't working, the AC wasn't working at all. There's actually the connector down there. It's melted and somebody's put a different resistor in here. And you can see it. All I did was unplug it, plug it back in, but it doesn't really work. But they're also complaining about a drivability concern where it jerks while driving, but the check engine light's on, and it feels like a misfire to me, not a transmission issue. So start new session, all other, let's see what kind of codes come up. I bet it's a misfire. Yes, it is a 15 Expedition 3.5. Come on, do your network test. Alright, so that's done. I'm gonna go up here to this little toolbox where the mouse is. And then I'm gonna go down SelfTest, which is the third one down. And then I'm gonna do all TDCs. Alright, so it did its test. We got a 301, 300, and a 302. We got a cylinder 1 misfire, cylinder 2 misfire, and then the 300 is a where'd it go? Go down here. So here's 300. Random misfire. 301, cylinder 1, 302, cylinder 2. And he's never had spark plugs changed in this thing, and it's got 260,000 miles on it. So I'm gonna go recommend some spark plugs and a blower motor resistor and the new connector. Appreciate it, guys.